Welcome to the in front of me Lenovo Legend, and I'll show you how to lock SIM card with SIM pin on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and scroll here to the privacy section. Now just tap to the more security section, and here we'll see the SIM card lock. Just click here and you will see here the lock SIM card. Just once click on the switcher to add the SIM pin here and enter the password. In my case that will be from 1 to 4. Then just click here to OK, and as can you see, we just successfully locked our SIM card with SIM pin code. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.